everybody, and welcome to my channel. So I did get a couple new piercings. I got my industrial pierced, and I have my second ear piercing done. Sorry, I'm just a little congested and stuff, and I just finished working out. We did get a new exercise bike, so I'm really excited about that. And I'm just really stuffy right now. And I am behind on videos. I'll try to post some of those since I'm off of work this week. For 4 days this week. This is around Valentine's Day. So I got my ears pierced on Sunday the 6th. So he told me to use a mild soap, kind of like a Dial antibacterial mild soap. Dial is not, I've never heard of that, but that's what he told me to use. I had an infection. I don't even know if you're able to see it. And my second piercing all around, went to the doctor, went to urgent care. My doctor didn't have an appointment. And got antibiotics, 800 milligrams, say to take them twice a day. I've been taking one, and I can already see results on the first day. So that's great. My antibiotics are working. So I picked up these two items, these two boxes. So I'm going to unbox it together. I'm pretty sure all of this is for my piercing. So, well, one thing in this box is for my piercing. I got the O2 Ocean Purifying Ocean Sea Salt. This is what the nurse at the doctor's office recommended me to pick up. So I picked up 2 of them off of Amazon. Then my second box for my ear piercing that I got. I did get several different things to clean my ears because I didn't want it to be like an issue or anything. So I did pick up this foam soap. It's a moisturizer and an antibacterial, but it is by H2 Ocean, so I figured it was going to be good, and it is fragrance free. It's just a blue-green foam soap. Let me know if y'all have tried this. It says first and first aid. So let me know if you've ever tried this on your piercings. Then I picked up this one I'm really excited about as well. I heard so many different people. I did research a lot of this to figure out which ones to buy and that kind of thing. So I'm not going to use these together, everything together, maybe the O2 Ocean stuff together, but I've seen a lot of piercers and everything recommend this, and what you do with this one is you just spray it on, leave it on for a few minutes to get that buildup off that is going to happen, and then take a paper towel and just dab the excess off. So that I did. I bought that as well. This is fragile. I'm not sure what's in this box. Oh, okay. So I will leave a link down below of the video where I heard that this was such a good soap to use, and it makes sense. It's fragrance free, it's hypoallergenic, it's for sensitive skin. It's they said Dove Sensitive, but I couldn't find that. So I just got the Baby Dove Sensitive. I figured it would work the same way. So I picked up 3 of these in a pack for, I think it was $18. So little thing there. I'm going to do another video with this because I got a story time of what else come out of the box. So a recap on what I purchased. If you want me to do a review on any of these products, I can do that. I am planning, see, I have my first one when I was like 7, 8. well, this one I had when I was like 7. This one I had when I was 5. We had to re-pierce this one. When he did my second on this side, I already kind of had some cartilage build up and stuff, so he had to kind of adjust for that because my piercing was right here-ish. My aunt pierced my ear the second time. But I got my seconds done on both sides. And then my industrial on both sides. I'm planning on I want to make sure that this is what I want. But I want to do this part right here, which is like your headache when it's, shoot, I can't think of what it's called. And then I want to do my trachea and my something with a D. I can't remember. Leave it down below. I'm not here today, I guess. Anyway, I'm going to try these products. Probably, like I said, not together. But all of this, well, these two are about the same. They're just different companies. And they are both saline solutions. And this is probably what I'm going to be cleaning it with, as well as this. So when I use the O2 Ocean, I'll probably use this. And then when I'm using this one only, I'll just use the Baby Dove. Or whatever I want to do. This is just a 1.5 container, and these are 13 fluid ounces. So probably going to run out of this faster. But if I get those other piercings, I'll try to keep an update on these 4, 2 on each side, to let y'all know how they heal up and if I have any other problems. If you want a video like that, please leave it down below, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, guys.